Morning, everybody. Gary Porter again. I now have tested the circuitry on here, so I know that the oscillator works, and I know the energy recovery circuit works, and I got the two boards remounted. Everything's rewired to the back. I'm going to change, do this. I've got the two groups of 12 coils are in parallel, and those are in series. I'm going to change that to all in parallel and do another test. What I did down here, I separated these boards into three just on layers here. So they were stacked up and they were very hard to troubleshoot. I had to take them all apart each time. So now those are all separated, and I've got the disc I showed you the other day. That's all up and running, and I just took out the old Tesla coil system I built for the multi-wave oscillator for rebuilding human tissue cells. This is the spark gap here for that, and the 0.022 microfarad caps are in parallel, series parallel. I've got this is where the battery goes right here. There's an inverter, 12 volts to 120. This right here is a variac, and that adjusts the spark gaps, adjustable over here, so I can adjust the spark gap. And on this side of these caps, there's normal electricity with electrons. On the other side of the caps, out, there's just radiant dielectric energy. I put on a couple of meters here, and then down below there's a 9,000 volt neon sign transformer from Pinnacle Power. They make them that they don't have a ground fault in there, so spark gap running won't automatically shut down the high voltage transformer. These two coils here are to prevent any arcing, any high voltage spikes that want to come back are dumped into this magnetic field here, and they don't harm the Pinnacle as well. So that's about it. And the output out here from the caps, the dielectric energy is going to go and drive something like this, a Tesla, Don Smith Tesla type coil system, and I've got bunch of high voltage diodes made up, and I used those before, and so we're good to go here. I haven't fired this back up, but I can tell you that it spins pretty easy. It now is well screwed together, so no matter what happens with the vehicle, this is not going to be touching the coils, and it rotates very smoothly. There's no contacting between the copper disc here and the LED sensors, and also between the rotors up here. And I don't know if you can see this or not, but those things are pretty close to the coil, so I've got it pretty tight, and that should make it run much more efficient. Anyway, I've also been going through the schematics, and I've got those all updated. Once I get a chance, I'm going to go get these blown up into bigger ones so I can put a video out on those. Anyway, have a good day.